add cinnamon to the bucket for mopping the floor. You would never think that cinnamon in mop water would bring such effects. I never thought about it before either. You have to try it. After watching the movie, you will definitely take advantage of this advice. You won't want to use any other method. This one gives the best effect and a beautiful scent that lasts a long time. The benefits will be felt throughout the house. Now, I would like to tell you about them. Cinnamon contains compounds with antibacterial and antifungal properties. It can help remove invisible bacteria and fungi from the floor. In addition to the beautiful scent, it also repels some insects. So let's get to work. Prepare a bucket of water. Also, prepare ground cinnamon or cinnamon sticks. Pour as much water into the bucket as usual. Add a small amount of cleaning agent. The first method, add a tablespoon of ground cinnamon to the bucket and mix thoroughly. You can mop the floor and enjoy the result. Now let me show you the second method. Prepare a pot and pour water into it. Turn it on the stove to boil. Add 3 cinnamon sticks. Leave the boiling sticks on low heat for about 10 minutes. After this time, you can stir them. Turn off the heat and set aside the pot until it cools completely. When the water cools down, you can remove the sticks. Transfer them to the bucket of water and mix. You can now mop the floor as usual. I learned the secret to perfectly shiny floors from a hotel housekeeper. Ever since then, the laminate in my house always looks like it's been polished. Grab your mop bucket and toss in a few ice cubes. The cold helps refresh the surface and makes cleaning easier later on. Now, for laundry pods. 4 is enough. Crush them in your hands. These little pods are packed with concentrated cleaning agents and are great at tackling buildup. Throw in some scent beads to fill the mix with a lasting, fresh aroma that stays in the room for a long time. Next, add a little laundry detergent. It cuts through grease, handles daily dirt great, and leaves the floor feeling smooth. Now, time for toilet disinfectant. It has strong cleaning power and refreshing properties, so it works on tougher grime and neutralizes odors. Pour hot water over everything so the ingredients blend well. Dunk the mop in, let it soak thoroughly, then wring it out really well. Now just mop the floor as usual. 0 streaks, 0 dull spots, just a clean, shiny finish like a professional cleaning job. Finally, pour the water down the toilet. That dirt just proves your floor has been deeply cleaned. Don't throw away your old, dirty mop. Cut off the worn ends to create a clean base. Then grab a microfiber cloth and wrap it around the mop head. Put the old cover back on top to keep everything tight. Dip the mop head in water and clean your floor as usual. You no longer need to buy a new mop. A simple cloth from home is enough. Pour this on your mop, and it will always stay clean. I never spend money on new equipment. A dirty mop is a breeding ground for bacteria and bad odors, collecting dust and grime. Here's a simple trick to make your mop bright white and fresh. Start with a small plastic bag or mesh sack. This will be your cleaning station. Place the dirty mop head inside. Sprinkle some laundry detergent to break down dirt, then add dish soap to dissolve grease. Next, add baking soda for its disinfecting power. Finally, pour in warm water to activate all the ingredients. Tap the mop a few times on the floor to create foam that lifts the dirt. Tie the bag tightly and let it sit for 15 minutes. After that, prepare 2 buckets of water. Take the mop out and rinse it thoroughly. Done. Your mop is now spotless, fresh, and like new, all without endless scrubbing. A quick and easy way to refresh your mop at home. I sprinkle my mop with blue powder and blue liquid. My floor shines for a long time. This combination creates a thick, active foam that easily tackles dirt and greasy stains. The foam reaches every corner, so there's no need for heavy scrubbing or repeated cleaning. The entire floor becomes shiny after just one wipe, and after cleaning, it doesn't just shine, it smells amazing too. This method works better than most store-bought cleaners and doesn't require harsh chemicals. When pouring the used water into the toilet, you can see how cloudy and full of dirt it is. proof of how effective this technique is. The secret? The mysterious blue powder is simply laundry detergent, and the blue liquid is dish soap. Try this trick, and you'll see how easy it is to get a perfectly clean, shiny, and fresh-smelling floor. You don't need a lot of cleaning products to clean your home. Just use what you already have. Pour 1 cup of baking soda into a bowl. Baking soda effectively removes dirt, neutralizes odors, and has a gentle abrasive effect. Next, measure a 1/4 cup of liquid soap. It helps dissolve grease and remove everyday grime. Add 3 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide, known for its disinfecting and whitening properties. Mix everything thoroughly. Apply the mixture to your oven glass. Rub it in with a sponge so the paste reaches all the stubborn residues. Leave it for a few minutes to dissolve grease and burnt spots. Then wipe the surface with a damp cloth. The glass will regain its clarity and shine. This is one of the easiest natural ways to clean an oven. Apply a small amount of the paste to a dirty induction cooktop. Spread it gently with a sponge and leave it for a few minutes to soften the buildup. Then wipe with a damp cloth. The cooktop will regain a clean, smooth shine. This is an effective way to clean an induction stove without chemicals. Cover a dirty sink with the mixture and spread it evenly over the surface, paying attention to areas with limescale or deposits. After 5 minutes, wipe the sink with a damp cloth and rinse with water. The surface will regain cleanliness and a natural shine. The mixture also works for cleaning a toilet. Apply a small amount inside the bowl, scrub thoroughly, and flush. The interior will be refreshed and clean. Dirty grout can be hard to clean with regular methods. Apply the paste to the grout and leave it for a few minutes. The ingredients help lighten the stains. This is a simple way to whiten grout naturally at home. One mixture with so many uses makes chemical-free cleaning easier, faster, and more effective throughout your entire home. Line your oven with plastic bags. They'll remove all burnt-on grime and grease, often better than expensive chemical cleaners. This simple trick really works and requires no scrubbing or special tools. Start by spraying the entire interior of your oven, bottom, sides, top, and door, with a good oven cleaner. Don't be stingy, as the cleaner is what will break down the grease and baked-on residue. Then take a few plastic bags and press them against every surface. The plastic helps trap moisture and prevents the cleaner from drying out too quickly, giving it more time to work. Dirt and grease literally peel away from the surface. Let it sit for a few hours or overnight for tougher messes. When you remove the plastic, just wipe everything down with a damp cloth. No scraping, no scrubbing, no effort. The grime comes off easily, and your oven will look like new. Finish by drying it off, and that's it. Quick, easy, and super effective. Once you try it, you'll never go back to the old way.